Joe Beermaster here. We have a 1999 Toyota Corolla. This goes for multiple years, models, almost any car. If the tail lights stay on, it's usually one of two reasons. Not just one reason. I looked at other videos and they only show the one reason. I'm going to show you the second reason, and it's the reason for what's wrong with this. So, underneath where the brake pedal is here, you put your foot on the brake and it releases a little cylinder with a pin in it. It's a little switch. And I'm going to show you a picture of that right now. It's way up in here. I'm going to try to show you in a second. So when you put your foot on the brake, it releases it. And the brake lights go on. So if that switch is bad, you're going to need a switch. It's hard to get to. It's usually one bolt that holds it on and a little plug. But in this case, it's not the switch, because I reached up there with a screwdriver, hit the switch, and it's working. But on this brake pad, on this bar, all the way up there, it's very hard to see. But I'm going to explain it to you. There's a little grommet between that bar and the switch. It's a spacer. I just bought this from Toyota. There's a little hole plugs into, and that's the space. If this grommet breaks off, it's going to make the brake lights stay on. So it's going to be one of two things. It's going to be that switch or this little grommet that mounts into this bar here. And the switch would hit the flat surface here. It's like a little cushion and a spacer. They cost about 99 cents. I'm just going to try to make an attempt to show you where they are up here. Way up. Way up in there. It's hard to see. When you move that, that's what moves that switch. Alright, and I showed a picture of it. So sorry I can't give you a better graphic. It's really tight in this car. Actually a little dirty too, and it's up in there. So what I'm going to do is that grommet's missing, and I figured that out because it was laying on the floor. So I went and bought a new one, and that will make it work. We're going to just push that in a little hole in the brake pedal bar, which is, there's a spot for it up there. Joe Beermaster, I know this isn't the best visual video, but I'm trying to do what I can under the circumstances. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.